Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Namaskar to all. Let's look at how August 2020 is going to be for Sagittarius or Dhanur Rashi. Firstly, the planetary positions. The Lord of the sign, retrograde Jupiter and Ketu will be in the first house. Retrograde Saturn in the second. Mars in the fourth. Venus, Mercury and Rahu in the seventh. Sun will be in the eighth house. So if I have to talk about, almost all the planets are not very favorable for you currently. However, after 15th of this month, you will see that Mercury will become positive for your Rashi. So overall, what I can say is, it's going to be a challenging month. Many planets in unfavorable positions. However, your Rashi Lord Jupiter can provide you some support and hold your hand to ensure that there will be some progress. Overall, if I have to talk about, progress is going to be slow. Health may be a little down. You may experience delays at workplace and as well as business. What I can tell you is that this is a challenging time. Better days will certainly come. Now let's look at health front. Health, eye diseases, headache. There could be anxiety, there could be things like a cough that could suddenly start, mental agony, there could be injury due to small accidents. So you have to take care about it. What you need to do is you need to exercise extreme caution and take good care of yourself. I think exercise and meditation will greatly help you. Now let's look at career or business. If I have to talk about career or business, for working people, they can see obstacles and obstructions all the way. There may be a very little or no support from your superiors. There could be unnecessary and unwanted delays in completing your tasks. Okay. What you need to do is pray to Jupiter, your Rashi Lord, to get that strength to face all these kind of situations. So this is going to be a challenging month for you. The August 2020 is going to be slightly challenging for you, so you need to take care. For businessmen, some issues with the government agencies are indicated, which could cause you some discomfort. There could be a lot of opposition which your competitors and your business adversaries may present you with. There could be some misunderstanding with your business partners. If you are having any big plans which you want to commence now, I think it's going to be a good time for you to postpone it and wait for better time to arrive. Now for students, there could be delays in planning and execution. Tasks will complete or could complete with lot of trouble. You need to be steady in your commitment and just be confident you'll be able to sail through. In terms of wealth, I would say Jupiter may protect you to certain extent, wherein he can give you the knowledge to prevent heavy losses. You have to closely guard your saved money and valuables. There could be loss if you are careless. Don't invest without any plan. Okay, your investment may turn risky and then you may end up losing big time. So what we advise is use your experience and wisdom to minimize your losses. So this is about gains. Now coming to the family front, if you have to talk, health of mother and spouse may need a lot of attention. You will have very less comfort from the family front. Your mind may be occupied with vague unwanted thoughts. So be careful, train your mind. So careful speech will help you to avoid differences and confrontations in the home front. Okay, children will support you adequately this month, but however you need to take care and ensure that you stay positive and take good care of your family members as well. There are certain remedies which are recommended. Please do those remedies and then you will find some better times coming in for you. In terms of exercises, what you can do is you can practice Anuloma Viloma and Kapalbhati Pranayam and as well as do Surya Namaskars every day. This will help you to bring in that confidence, and it will also propitiate Saturn and Jupiter. If you are planning to donate something, please donate yellow sweets, yellow colored clothes, wheat, ginger, clove to a temple. Keep reciting Hanuman Chalisa because your Sadesati, the last phase of the Sadesati is running now. For long term benefits, you can perform a Rudrabhishek to Lord Shiva on a Trayodashi. Okay, so this will greatly help you. So please do these remedies, and I pray to the Almighty to give you that strength to face any sort of adverse situations which may arise this month. So I wish you all the best. Namaskar.